Hey guys, welcome back. It's been about 6 months since I made any kind of video. It's getting nice out. We have a few weeks till 6th summer this year. It's time to uncover this, get the push rods, rocker arms, water back in the motor, and get it running again. So stay tuned. Let's begin by testing the battery. It's been sitting all winter.
We should have shotguns with this kind of deal.
How many up there?
3 or 4.
That's counting our guy?
Not sure.
So that means it could be up to 5 guys up there?
It's possible.
We should have fucking shotguns.
If you guys didn't know, I do run a 16-volt system. To charge it, you need a 16-volt battery charger. Downfall, you can't jump it with anything if you have a dead battery on the side of the road. But the car loves the 16 volts. Battery tested out at 17 volts, but I did put the charger on anyways for a little bit. So we're going to start out by putting the rockers back on. In the fall time, because the car's going to be sitting, you want the tension on the valve springs. I did get some new Manton 3/8 push rods. There. Make sure you get them on top of the lifter. Flashlight helps. Gonna find top dead center. We got a button on the firewall, helps me with that. The rocker said I do label them, so when I do put them back on, they're in the ballpark of the lash. Of course, once we get the car warmed up, we'll lash them again or check the valves. These rockers are T&Ds, they're 1.6 ratio. These are fairly new as well. Just make sure you torque them. This intake was a little tight, and I'm just going to loosen it up for now. So this is going to be the same process, just the driver's side. I'll speed this up. So obviously this is the harder of the two sides. The procharger in the way. That valve cover has to come out a certain way. It's worse going back on. So coming to the last one, there are 3 small acorn nuts. Of course, there was one missing. Yep, found the bolt. It was in the toolbox. For some reason I put it there and I had to retrace all my steps. There you have it, guys. It's running. It sounds great. No leaks. Pressures are good. I still need to do an oil change. Put the diaper on. I did manage to throw the hood on, but we're all set to go. Still need to test the air shifter and secondary fuel pump. We'll do that on the street another time. But thanks for joining me, and we'll see you soon. Thanks.